Hey guys, this is Scott. What you're looking at is a rectangular structure on the asteroid Eros, E-R-O-S. The object is said to be about 45 meters long, according to NASA. That is correct. NASA said it. Let's look at the original site first. This is the original site. It's right over here, and I'll put this in the About section right below the video so you could find it yourself. But right over here it says Eros captured at this picture, and that there is a large rectangular boulder at the upper right that is 45 meters across, 148 feet across. That is just absolutely amazing, guys, isn't it? Okay, let's look back at the original photo. Here we are right here, and you see, if I make it smaller, here is the full photo, unedited, and you see the object right over here. I'm circling it with my cursor, and we will slowly move in. The detail is really fantastic. This is not pixelization, and we do see that this is not just a boulder as NASA claims, that this is actually a giant structure. Now I'm making it literally as big as I can. I'm going to add some darkness to it to see if it can stand out a little bit. Cannot do that. I'm going to have to make it a little smaller, a little bit smaller. Okay, how's that, guys? I mean, to me, that really screams out alien base, alien structure. And it might not just be an alien structure, it might actually be a rectangular alien ship that's landed on Eros, the asteroid Eros. I mean, it's only 45 meters across. It might be an alien probe that landed there, and maybe it's sending some kind of signal or something. It's there for a purpose. Maybe it's there to give warning to others. This is our property. It's from our system. Our species claims it. I don't know, but it's just absolutely amazing, guys, isn't it? It's just absolutely amazing. This structure is just incredible. It's like a huge rectangle and another rectangle down here. The smaller one down here is a little bit longer, and this one is almost divided into, well, it looks like one side here is bigger than the other side. But still, that is just incredible, guys. That just looks incredible to me. So what is your thoughts about this? What do you think this is, and why do you think NASA pointed it out as a boulder? It doesn't look like a boulder to me. I've seen lots of boulders, and that doesn't look anything like it. Guys, like and subscribe. This is Scott C. Ware in the VT Database and UFO Sightings Daily. I'll make more videos for you very soon. Thank you very much.